That was the Unicorn Journal. And then we have the Mom's Journal. Each journal was made by me, being a mom, trying to help your children and be able to teach them writing skills and also be able to get to know them as well at a higher level. So these questions are designed for that. And then we have a baseball edition here. Now these questions are designed to help your child start to enjoy writing process, and the more that we do this, the more that they will be able to start writing at not necessarily at the drop of a hat. Yes, sometimes in the future maybe, but the more that we practice writing, just like anything else, we do get better at it, especially if we have a nice journal to be able to write everything down in. And these are personal use items that you can actually print off as many copies as you would like to for you and your family. Thank you very much.